DuraPost welcomes you to this instructional video on how to install PRIMA Composite boards with our DuraPost Classic post. This video is designed as a guideline and may not be suitable for all types of installation. Remember to use PPE and ensure safe operation when using power tools. DuraPost Prima composite boards are designed as the perfect solution for modern and stylish fencing. DuraPost Prima boards can be used as a gravel board with a traditional fence. If using as a gravel board and retaining soil, we recommend a reinforcing rod must be used in each Prima board, or they can be stacked on top of each other within a DuraPost fence system to create a strong and durable fence. Our boards are designed to slot effortlessly between two DuraPosts. The following tools are required. Each Prima board comes with a protective cover on both sides, which can be peeled away. We recommend you install the boards with the cover in place to avoid any dirt or scratches occurring during installation. Set your first DuraPost in the fence line. Position the DuraPost Prima board at the base of the post. Use the Prima board to measure the distance to the next post, adding an additional 5 mm to allow for expansion. Set the next post in place. Once the posts are set, the remaining boards slide between the posts with the tongue facing down. If base size is reduced, the Prima boards can easily be cut to size. For a 1.8 metre height fence, you will require 12 Prima boards stacked. The tongue and groove system ensures each board is seated correctly. A reinforcement bar can be inserted directly into the board to provide added strength. We recommend a reinforcing bar is used in every third board. Continue to slide the boards into place between the DuraPosts. Secure using the DuraPost matching pan head screws. We recommend a minimum of 12 screws per bay based on a 1.8 metre height fence. For extra security and aesthetics, a cover strip is available to cover the whole side of the post. When screwing into the post, if you intend to use cover strips, then apply the cover strip washers at this point for each set of screws. Continue the installation by adding each bay in exactly the same way. Manufactured in the UK, our DuraPost Prima production line employs intense quality control methods, including 16 different checks during every hour of production. This includes strict tolerances for things including length, colour and finish. Our proven skin material surface gives excellent UV resistance, and our boards are manufactured from 70% recycled material and are 100% recyclable. DuraPost Prima comes in a range of 4 colours, colour matched to our DuraPost and accessories.